Yeah, hello. Yeah, iSamfix Computer Solutions. We have a new video here. Yeah, many other times you'll find that most of these HP 820 G1 G2 they have a problem with charging. As you can see with this one here, the machine is on. Remember, this is the battery, and you see when I try to see the voltages on this part of the battery, I don't even, so you can see the machine is on. Yeah, we have the 18 volts here, and the other side here we have the, actually we don't have even nothing. What is the gate? The gate is 5, but the machine is out, 18.7. What about on this side here? So it's not even giving a voltage on this side. So that means we are not getting 0.5 here, because we are not getting a, how comes on this I'm getting 0.5? This is not nice. Let's go under the microscope. Yeah, so actually this is the part I'm concerned about. So let me insert the charger one more time. So check on my power supply, the machine is on. So you can see on this side here, I don't know, 18 and 18, which is the gate here? 18. What about the other side? The other side I'm getting 0, you can see, which is not very nice. Okay, on this other part here, this is the, I'm getting 5.7. 16. Is this an N channel MOSFET or a P channel MOSFET? For those who remember how the gates behave for the, so okay, I don't know. $18, and about this other side, 18. So which is the gate? If I want to have a clear, yeah, here we have the first gate. These two are gates. So this gate I'm having 5, and this other gate I'm having 18.7. Here 18 point. What about this gate here? 18. So what do you mean? Like we have the first MOSFET taking 5.7, and the other gate taking 18, and the other gate taking 18. So what's up with this part? This MOSFET here. So okay, I don't know. Let me try to change that MOSFET. Let me try to change this MOSFET here, and maybe you know, that could also be a problem with the BQ chip. What about if we worked with the BQ chip? We worked with the BQ chip. Let me see if we worked with the BQ chip, what would happen. But first and foremost, so I have another motherboard here. You can see on my camera here, the one that is looking directly at me. So I'll try, and because this problem is all on there, so this is the, yeah, this is the IC I want to get rid of and exchange with the other one here. So let me grab the IC. Yeah, I want to see first whether something is going to work out. So pin number 1 is here. So this is the pin number 1. Okay, the chip is out. So let me grab the other one from the board. This one I don't need there. And in the meantime I can, oh, that flux is too much. I don't know where I should put the rest. Just don't know. Maybe all the flux should go there. Yeah, so yeah, chip is out. So pin number 1, is it where it's supposed to be? Yeah, pin number 1 is okay. It's right at that position that is supposed to be. Yeah, so the BQ chip I think is settled. The BQ chip for this one. Yeah, check pin number 1 is where it's supposed to be. That is very important. And this is how I... So we try to cool it down a bit. So let's let it for cool down. Yeah, so the board has cooled down now. Yeah, one of the things with the BQ chip and charging MOSFETs, that is, you have to wait the board to cool down, let it cool down completely before you test, because we are talking of very sensitive voltage of the gate. The drain, especially the gate, is a very sensitive voltage when the motherboard is still hot. So wait for it to cool. So now let's connect the battery and let's see whether the amperes are going to go high. So the machine is on. Let's check the power supply. If it goes above 1 amp, because if it's charging it should go above 1 ampere. And if that is not the case, then we have not done anything. Wow, you see? Yeah, now that battery is charging. The battery is charging, and if we remove the charger, you can see now the machine is maintaining. Yeah, the machine is maintaining. Somebody is calling me. Yeah, the machine is maintaining the, you can see it's still on. Yeah, so actually that does not mean that always you should so the machine is still on. I think it's the normal restart. That does not mean that you should always change that chip whenever you have that issue. The most important thing is to play around with the voltages. If you know the condition of the both MOSFET, first and the second MOSFET, charging IC and the other, you have to know all those conditions. And that's why I say, if you don't understand the charging system of our laptops, then it's very hard to make this laptop. So yeah, that is it for today, guys. I still have a lot of jobs to handle that I don't record all jobs on the YouTube channel because time is limited. Sometimes making the video and having the setup is not easy. And so that is it for today, guys.